Hi, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to Live Edge Timber Co. Cribs, Commercial Edition. Let me give you a factory tour. So before we go in, I'll show you, this is my kinetic sand. This is actually my stress relief. So whenever I'm going nuts, I just come downstairs and I play with sand. Kevin thinks it's a little weird, but works for me. So let me give you a tour. So this is our wood shop. So in here, we do all the wood processing. We store all the raw inventory. So this is just a little bit of what we usually have. It's usually stacked a little bit higher. So in here we have pine and maple. And this is actually our second factory. We actually started across the street in a tiny little shop that was 2,000 square feet. So then we ran out of space within literally 2 months, and then we added this shop. So we've been in here for almost 2 years now. So let me show you the machines we have. So a lot of what we do is still pretty manual because it's a live edge. So for us, it's really important to have people look at it multiple times before it ends up on store shelves. So we have jointer, we have a molder, we have a planer behind us, and a sander. So now we're gonna go try to find Kevin. I do this probably like 20 times a day. He has a walkie-talkie, but it's never on him. I'm usually talking to myself. So he's either outside, maybe even in the bathroom most of the time. And let's check if he's in the office. So he was in the office. We have our robotic vacuum here. And Coco, our lovely Chihuahua. She hasn't missed a day since we opened. She also lets us know if anybody's here. So this is my desk. It's really messy because I have like literally a million things going on at all times. I try to clean it, but it just never stays clean. Kevin's over here at the end. We sit completely opposite to each other, and then we probably call each other over to our desk like 100 times a day. So I'm either over here or he comes back over there. This is Coco's chair. She literally never leaves her office chair. This is her favorite spot in her Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle blanket. So we're gonna call Kevin. I bet she's not gonna answer. Kevin, à l'écoute.
Yeah?
He never has his walkie-talkie on him. So here's Kevin, as usual, never at his desk.
I'm everywhere.